Alright, to viewers, here we have this Airficency. Basically, it's a gold line, platinum line under a different label. This is the second one I have. Even start on low. This is on the 4-speed Hampton Bay control. This one, surprisingly, actually came with a control. It's a Banville gold line, Banville EnviroFan control. Rated for 5 amps, so it can control it to about 4 fans. So, kind of cool. I got this from a guy in Sarasota, kind of near Tampa. So I'm guessing this was probably like a package. Maybe you bought 4 of them, it came with a control, and I got the one that had a control in it. I don't know. Anyway, these are great fans. This is the second one I own once again. There's low speed on the Hampton Bay 4-speed control. Go ahead and go to medium low. Now these are fully wet rated. They can go basically outside in a screened in area, everything. Rubber grommets in the canopy, the seal on the bottom of the motor that you can take out in case to drain it. Well, plug them at plug. And everything about it, it's got cast iron motor. The box says the blades are steel, but they're not, they're aluminum. You put a magnet to them, they will not stick. So they're aluminum blades, which makes sense. There's medium. Let's go ahead and that's medium low. Let's go ahead and go to medium high. Yeah, overall these are very powerful, very good fans. And you can still buy these actually today. I believe they're made by J&B Manufacturing or something like that. A lot of people sell them. Rather than tools. Let's go ahead and go. There you go, sorry. Wasn't in good contact, the control's old. This is it going on high speed. It does move a very, very good amount of air. This is the plug on the bottom of the motor. If you look on the canopy, you can see the grommets. Keep the water tight. It's a curved blade. While I have the camera, I'm going to show you. Here's the control it came with. Variable speed control. And then here's what the box looks like. 60-inch indoor-outdoor ceiling fan. Airficency. Once again, these are great fans. If you are looking for a fan, but you can't looking for one for a cheap price, this isn't bad. These usually run you about new. I think they're like $120, $125. This one I got off Craigslist for $60 with the control. These guys come in, just come down. No, excuse me while I walk in front of the camera. I know, I'm horrible. But yeah, overall, it's a very good fan. I really kind of want to install these actually in the pool area. Because I have screens in the pool area. So it'd be kind of cool to actually have these 2 of these mounted in the screened in area over like the patio deck. The only thing that's cool about these are basically EnviroFans except for their 60-inch. They're very cool. And I don't know if you can see the top, but it has a plug. That's recommended if you're installing somewhere to just have a GFI in the ceiling and have a plug to the GFI. makes sense if you want to get in next to the truck with VFI, so we have one fan that works in $30. It's gonna be a pretty good spin down, so this one's new in box. And as always, with these high amp controls, you can actually set the low speed on them. That's always fun. Honestly, the control itself is probably worth like 30, maybe 40 bucks. Pretty good deal. Once can I have two of these? I'd love to do an install outside somewhere, but I have time, space, and area. Almost. And there we go. Thanks for watching.